It's raining men. Hallelujah. Oh, sorry, I didn't know I was coming on there. Just kidding. Yes, I did. That is a song I've been listening to today. You should listen to it as well. Number 4 on the weather playlist for today. But if you're going to be doing any barbecuing later on in the next couple hours, yes, it'll be nice, but you might want to have a light jacket, especially as the sun goes down. It will be a little bit cooler. So have the jacket handy. You'll need it overnight into tomorrow morning as well. But we'll have another nice, beautiful, warm day tomorrow. However, the winds are expected to pick up tomorrow. We do expect stronger winds for the mountains. A cold front will move through tomorrow evening. Looks like around 4 to 7 o'clock tomorrow night. And then colder air will move in across the borderland for the rest of the week. So here's that cold front I'm talking about. It's going to be moving in from the west to the east. It'll move through most likely between 4 and 7 o'clock tomorrow night. So as always, when we have a cold front moving across the area, you'll feel a shift in the winds. You'll notice they'll be from the south at first, and they'll move from the north. And you'll notice a bit of a cooler feel to the air. The winds will be strongest as the cold front moves across, but then after they should start to die down. So that's what I'm talking about right here. Our windcast for tomorrow. Winds will be out of the southwest at first, turning to out of the northwest as that cold front moves across. The peak wind gusts really only about 30 miles per hour. We could see some isolated gusts a little bit stronger than that across the region, especially if you live on the eastern slopes, but overall, not expecting very strong winds for tomorrow. And I do think those winds will start to pick up right around the lunch hour and will last all the way through about 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. We will have winds for the majority of the week as well. Not extremely windy, which is always a good sign, but we are expecting breezy afternoons for Tuesday and Wednesday. For Thursday, back up to about a windy afternoon, and then dropping down for Friday and Saturday before picking right back up. So just expect winds this week. Have the allergy medicine on standby, especially if you have pollen allergies. That will be an issue. But let's talk about tonight. Overnight, we are expecting a cool 45, so not too bad. In El Paso, 39 is what we're looking at for Las Cruces, 32 in Deming, and 43 in Alamogordo. When we get winds, it kind of helps keep our temperatures up a little bit overnight, so that's one positive we could expect. Then tomorrow, our temperatures will reach the 70s for El Paso. It looks like a little bit cooler for Las Cruces at 61, 64 for Alamogordo, and 62 for Deming. But we do expect beautiful sunny skies tomorrow, so enjoy it. But of course, the winds might be a little bit bothersome across the region. I do want to mention, those of you who live up in the Sacramento Mountains, you guys could see a little bit of snow from Monday night overnight into Tuesday. So watch as we approach the midnight hour, and after that you could see some snow expected for the highest elevations, and that's going to continue for most of your day, at least overnight. Well, actually, it looks like our model just updated, so a lot less snow now they're forecasting, but overall, just expect a little dusting of snow from Monday night into Tuesday. Tomorrow, a warm day in store, but a major temperature drop between Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday will be breezy at least, and we'll have cooler air for the rest of the week. We'll be right back.